Good morning! Vlog cheese minus Kyle. So today we are on the way to where?
Ad Summit 2018.
Ad Summit 2018.
So guys,
It's foggy.
it's foggy. Currently in Pancake House and
Hello everybody.
Keisha, it's how do you flip this shit?
You can't flip it. I have to stop it.
Okay, so Keisha, you're going to
I'm gonna do the Tabasco challenge.
Tabasco challenge. A tablespoon full of Tabasco. You go get 'em, girl.
One lang. I'm scared.
One lang. Three. Okay.
What the heck? Linigyan mo ng toyo.
No.
It's against the light, I guess. How anticlimactic. Oh my god.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It is currently what time is it? 3:29 p.m. and the opening of the trade exhibit thingy is at 4. But first we have to get our groceries because we have to.
So thank you to Pure Gold.
We have to cook our breakfast, so that's why we're going to Pure Gold, and then after that we're coming back here, and then we're gonna head to Ad Summit 2018. Hello, we're done grocery shopping.
Hello.
Getting aching in your bones. Certainty privately caught up in the flow. Only darkness seems to go when urgency suddenly drunk on air alone. Almost feels
Ice cream, and we got our delegate IDs. Yes. Oh my gosh, they're playing Inigo Pascual. Sorry.
give a fuck right from the start, did you? Getting aching in your heart, did you? Give a fuck right from the start, did you? The sirens calling out your name. It's all in you, can't stay the same.
Good evening, everybody.
We got free alak because there's an open bar.
Pag-uwi na tayo.
We just got seated in one of the first few groups here in the dining area. And I think we're the only students here, so we're kind of here. And tonight's our sponsor for tonight's dinner is
Excited, let's slip away.
I'm really trying to get picture crew to go here. We are back in our, what do you call this? Our house.
Ilabas niyo na yung ano.
We ditched
Booze!
booze. What booze? What booze? I'm sorry. I'm gonna go over there and finish this vlog.
Wait!
We
Nalagay ko na
just
yung
got
freebie na
back.
alak.
We just got back from the venue. We're back in the house because we decided to ditch and just, rest for tomorrow because we have a long day. Hey, don't mention that. Joke lang. We have a long day ahead of us tomorrow. And I just want to show you guys all the freebies we got today. Look at this whole bag full of goodies and freebies. We have one each. So first we have this. This Avengers tumbler from Petron. Oh my gosh, this is the best. You got free alak from GSM. Oh wait, yeah, we got free alak. We also got. Oh my gosh, I have 2 tuna pies inside. We have notebooks, a calendar. We have a tag from Jollibee. We have Jellyvit. We have Bella sunblock. I should do a haul. Hi, Ika.
Hello.
So now we're just going to we're gonna watch Netflix and I'm gonna be working on some school stuff. They're all watching The Greatest Showman and I'm here editing, doing schoolwork. Look at them. Look at them. Where is the justice?